Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a password door and placing it where players will approach. Use a flat wall tile so the interaction is consistent. Once placed, make sure the door faces the intended traffic. Immediately reserve the tiles beside it for wiring or a keypad so you won't block access later. While you're placing, check ownership. If the door isn't yours, you can't set its password. Do this now because the next steps require you to be the door owner. With the door owned, use your wrench to open its settings and enter a secure password. You want at least 6 characters and a mix of letters and numbers so it resists guessing. Once done, use the hint toggle only if you trust your audience. Hints can compromise security. Make sure to save the settings and test immediately by attempting entry yourself or with a trusted alt account. If you plan public access windows, set temporary passwords and rotate them regularly to avoid leaks. Complete the setup by testing the door from a non-owner perspective. Click it, enter the password, and confirm it opens. Once verified, share the password only with trusted players and change it immediately if it's leaked. If someone reports it won't open, first reopen settings to confirm the exact string, then check for adjacent blocks or wiring blocking interaction. As a last resort, break and replace the door after backing up any connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.